I didn't film an intro to this because it was just a bunch of footage I cut down into 2 videos. So, yeah, just get right into it.
Look at that. Ooh, that's heavy.
Yeah, it's a fucking battery.
Weighs about 1 battery unit. Oh, nice ass.
Get in there.
I'm getting in there. You ain't got it. Oh, the wing nuts are on. Don't tell nobody though.
Don't tell nobody. We
Don't
got
get
wing
that
nuts.
on camera. Don't get that on camera.
Wait, I'm gonna have a problem.
That's why you're not supposed to have those.
That is precisely why you're not supposed to have those. Also, this is fucking way too big. I don't get it.
It's alright. We don't need it
Ain't
for
gonna do
approximately
shit.
5 seconds.
How
Supply
to
power
screw
to my
wing
vehicle.
nuts like a pro.
You use your 2 fingers and you twist, just like that. Oh, he's using 1 finger because he's good with that pointer finger right there.
I'm good at fingering shit.
Especially wing nuts and other types of nuts. Like dude's
Oh,
nuts.
it's all wet down here still. That kind of sucks.
Who's the captain now?
Joe. Joe Mama!
Yeah. Cause I had your mom sitting right here last night and she squirted off the back of the bitch.
Oh, that's why I saw wet down there on the floor. Take that bitch
Woo!
right now.
Ooh, piece of shit Johnson.
Ooh, look at that motor.
Ooh.
Let's see here.
Open up the backs. Take it out the box. Wow, this is brand new. And it's got like weird things over the wires instead of wires.
Yeah, cause it's brand new. I should just get a whole new wiring harness for this engine.
Sounds like work.
It's literally like replacing this. You just unplug everything and plug it right back
Woo!
Look at that.
Woo!
Look
in.
at here.
Fancy.
Wow.
Alright, we just take this.
You ain't coming. Oh wait, you got them in there.
You drop that in there. Touch that there.
And then you put that. I put the other one on the
Fucking
outside. Probably should have
Great
put it.
design this is that the
on the
terminals
inside.
fucking fit.
Hopefully it works.
What?
Nothing. I didn't say nothing.
You don't know if you put it back on right?
No, I put it on right. I just put the ground wire on the other side of the bolt.
It might not work.
Well, I can
We'll
fix
try.
that. I can fix that right now. Aiden can only make my mom squirt, so she's mad.
What?
That's not true. I've made every girl squirt I've had sexual relations with.
Oh, including my little sister?
No. I have not had sex with your little sister.
I have.
What?
That's valid.
I'm from Alabama. What do you think we do down here? We fuck our sisters. Especially if their age is on the clock.
Bitch is installed. Just like that.
Boom! Start her up! Start her up! Need gas.
This battery's also dead.
It's also...
I got 4 batteries inside that are all dead. And I don't have a charger anymore, so it sucks.
Well, let's just spin it. Yup, it works. Okay.
I mean, we could. That's
Crank
why you see this right here, that notch.
So you can spin it.
You put a loop in there, and then you wrap the string around, and then you yeet it, and it starts.
Oh, it's like a pull start.
Yeah.
That's pretty homo.
Some of the little old little motors, you can go like this, and they just start. My teacher had one in Bosse's. It was so.
Now that is a boat engine motor pack.
That's an outboard, and it's a piece of shit. Alright? piece of shit. You got dirt on the lens. Also a smudge. What'd you do to
What
that?
the fuck did you do? Oh my god.
You're gonna scratch the lens.
Don't you dare.
Oh my god.
That's what microfibers are made for. It picks up the microfibers.
I didn't even put anything on the lens.
Alright, I'm gonna go grab another bag.
That's your fault.
They're all
They're
the
all
way
dead.
in the garage.
And they're dead.
Yeah, but one of them might work better than that one. How much is that one say? $565.
That's pretty gay.
That's a baby battery.
I use that one to charge my phone.
Literally. Starting. They shouldn't make starter batteries lower than $650.
Just go get it.
We're going on an adventure.
We're going to Adventureland.
We're gonna go get the gas tank. Start her up.
Yeah, we're gonna drink some gas.
Set the timing right.
And then take her out.
Let's get the
Right
battery
now.
too.
We're going fishing.
We're just gonna have a better time with the battery.
I'll go.
Whew.
I'll go grab it.
Yeah, but there's a lot of options, and I don't want you to grab the wrong one.
I'll grab the one from that was in it last time.
All right.
I'm gonna grab a different one.
Christian's going to get the battery that was in it last time, hopefully. Alright, he's gone.
I put it. If you moved it.
I moved it. He said, if you moved it, I'll grab the wrong one. I moved it. Whoa, it's so dark in here, but you can see. Got the gas tanks. Whew. Gas tank. Alright. Stuff. Dump that up.
Crazy look.
Crazy glue inside. I have gel super glue inside.
Oh, lit.
Like she's gonna know where the super glue is. I don't understand. You got super. Yeah, I got super. She didn't ask where it was. And now I hear Christian yelling for me. Let's see. Yeah. I think so. Let's see here. Yeah, I think that was it.
Yeah, me too. That's why I grabbed it.
Well, let's go see if it works. She goes, do you have super glue? I went, yeah. I have gel super glue inside. She goes, okay.
For what?
And now?
Like, did you even tell her where it was at?
No. That's what I don't get.
She was just
Yo,
alright, I'll find
You want to run over there and turn the hose on?
Like, the screen just went off and it wouldn't turn back on. Yeah, I turned the camera on. Oh.
She started. It started up. So now I'm going to do the timing.
The fucking clip popped up now!
Setting that shit up. Oh, there we go. Can you see that?
Fuck, do I get rid of that
Fuck,
fucking
I
thing?
dropped the bit.
In there?
Down below.
All alone again. The battery on this camera is gonna die soon. What are you doing here?
So, trying to figure out why the idle is why. But nothing is really wrong.
So the reason I don't see anything wrong is because there is nothing wrong. It's just idling high because it's not in the water. Trust yourself. That's all I can say.
Alright, so we're out here on the boat doing some test rides.
Beautiful day.
Beautiful day out here. And the motor won't start.
So, this is how you properly start your motor. Just when we break out the camera. God damn it.
It's the camera.
Yeah, it's the eyes on it. That's what's up. Oh, I'm gonna fall.
Getting shy.
It's getting shy. The motor's camera shy. Oh! That's why. It was in gear. Don't do that.
Oopsies!
Whoopsie daisy. I almost just fucking flew.
Yo, that is a fat ass.
Wow, look at that fat, juicy ass. Alright, time to fish. It's fucking cast into this nice, beautiful ocean. Nice, beautiful ocean.